Hello everybody, it's Ed Holmwood with Elmo USA. Just another quick video. I wanted to demonstrate how you can use the Elmo CRA-1 Wireless Annotation Tablet with our web-based resource, the imagemate-c.com webpage, and in this case with one of our new OX1 document cameras. So the tablet itself functions just like a mouse. You'll see the cursor on the screen move as I move the stylus over the writing surface. Now I'm not touching, I'm just hovering. It's a little hard to see, but I'm not touching it. If I were to touch it, it would go ahead and start annotating. So that'll give you an idea. So whatever materials I want to put down on the screen, or under the camera I should say, I can go ahead and annotate over, and then I have complete access to all of my tools to do that. So we'll go ahead and erase all this. And I can actually, I'm going to choose a highlighter, and we'll try and highlight some text. I'm not particularly good at this, but you get the idea. And I can do that with my CRA-1 tablet. The other nice thing about the tablet is it is a wireless mouse. So if I want to come up and choose a different web page, I can. I can go search for different things, whatever it happens to be. I can also go out to my desktop if I want to and launch software, should I need to. Or obviously come back and use our web resource at imagemate-c.com. One note with imagemate-c, you must use a Chrome-based browser. It does not work in Mozilla Firefox. It doesn't work in the old version of Microsoft Edge. But any Chrome-based browser, you'll be fine. So real quick, that's the Elmo CRA-1 in conjunction with the imagemate-c.com webpage and our OX1 entry-level document camera. Everybody, from all of us at Elmo, we wish you the best and thank you for your time. Have a great day.